Alright, Chase, where are we?
This is the Holiday Inn Airport San Antonio.
Look at
Original
this.
1981 Dover attractions.
1981, Dover Airport. Let me look at this. These are awesome.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Yeah, they're,
Halo line. Oh, look, there's a fire alarm in here, too.
Huh,
Let's
that's,
go to 11, all right?
That's cool.
that's cool.
There's no indicator.
That's
Yeah,
kind
there
of
is right here.
Okay, here we are. There's a nice view outside too.
It just flashes.
There's a nice view. Very quiet inside. This is. You have the old heavy doors.
Nice view.
Nice view.
Yeah, it's a good view, I think.
It says the original button.
It's the original controller as well. We can't get to the
Here's this one.
For the what?
Alright. Let's go down to 1. I guess it worked.
We can't get to the what?
We can get to one, it's just not lit up.
Alright, let's see. This is a cool indicator.
Watch this. Try around the last one.
Look at that fire alarm.
Yeah, in the elevator.
Is Kathy?
These indicators, the selectors are just a little bit dirty on them.
Yeah, they're not working.
Let me know when it goes.
Closing. And gone.
All right, we get to ride the last one. This is the last elevator here. And we have, I love these buttons.
Alright, go up to 11.
All right.
Let's listen. Let's
Ooh,
watch.
door close button
Let's
works. I
watch
like
the
that.
numbers.
Ouch.
These are amazing elevators. Love these buttons here.
Come over here, you can go over there.
There's a fire alarm. It's a Dover.
Your valve.
Over traditional.
All right, here we go back down.
81.
These have the best motors. Show the let's take this one on one more ride since it has the best motor.
Cool.
Just
Can
listen
you,
to
can
them.
you close up with the indicator?
Yeah, sure, come over here. Rafe is over there, he shows us the phone.
Classy.
What do you think about these, Jason?
Pretty neat.
But the best part,
They're all original.
Is
the
it
door
Dover?
close button works.
Yeah, it's the Dovers. Old Simplex 49 to 3. What do you think of these guys?
These are awesome. I think
Are
the
they
one
awesome?
on the outside. Let me
Cool.
send this one up and watch it outside. Watch the
That one still
outside.
says, that one still says going down.
Watch what's gonna happen when the door
They
closes.
work and they don't work.
Some of these,
Kind of off.
let's watch. These may,
Maybe it works. That one's here.
some of these, like I said, there it goes, that one's working.
don't know if you can see that. Oh, you can see that better than I can.
Cool. All right. Well, that'll be
This
it.
camera does.
That is